Well, what's happening today, YouTubers? Today is Thursday, and that means Thursday afternoon we go riding with the Dark Knights. And this morning's looking pretty good for a bit of beach action. There really is some magnificent coast heading into our ride area. What a great way to start the day, an early morning jog. Oh, it looks like I've stumbled across a photo shoot. There's the model, hard at work. Wow, what a job she's got. I guess somebody's got to do it. Anyway, time to get the mind back on the job. It's time to go riding. Oops, and it looks like Shane is having the first get off for the day. He's doing a real face plant by the looks. That's good, he's getting up and looks like all's well. This time of year we have to spread out a bit because the dust starts getting really bad. It's just about impossible to see where you're going. As the dust is bad at the moment, we decided to go and try out the salt lakes. These natural salt lakes are completely devoid of any plants. And the best thing about this place is there's no dust at all, although you do have to be careful of some of the soft spots. Uh-oh, it looks like Shane has found one of those soft spots. And this could take a fair bit of work to get him out. Oh well, he almost made it to the edge, but this stuff is like glue. Anyway, with a bit of teamwork we got him out. As the sun is beginning to set, we decided to give our hill climbs a bit of a shot. Control settings are certainly helping there. Unfortunately, not everyone has traction control. Isn't there always somebody in the group that makes it look so easy? And now it's time to refuel and catch a bite to eat. Somebody mentioned that the day seems to go fast when you're having fun. I can only agree.